Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel PTR Academy and I am Richa. Let's discuss today's topic are Operation Sanjeevani. So let's discuss why in news. AIF means aircraft C-130J airlifted 6.2 tons of essential medicines and hospitals consumer supplies to which country Maldives capital meal as a part of Operation Sanjeevani as a support during coronavirus crisis means India supplied Maldives Operation Sanjeevani during the till coronavirus crisis. Next is Operation Sanjeevani. So let's discuss Operation Sanjeevani. At the request of the government of Maldives, the IAF aircraft activated Operation Sanjeevani and lifted these medicines from airport in New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Madurai. Next is among other things, these medicines include influenza vaccine, antiviral drug such as lopinavir and ritonavir. Lopinavir and ritonavir, which have been used to treat patients with COVID-19 in other countries. These two are medicines of cardiac conditions, kidney ailments, hypertension, high blood pressure, diabetes, and next is arthritis, allergies, cancer treatment, and next is anticonvulsants and as well as consumed catheters, nebulizers, urine bags, and in fact feeding tubes were also delivered. And Indian Army facilitated the transport of these medicines and consumables from warehouses across India to the respective airport. And next is India's other incentive. So last month India has dispatched 14-member army medical team to Maldives to set up a viral testing lab here, and India had gifted 5.5 ton or essential medicines to mail on March 14. And next is Air India has received China clearance to operate cargo flights to Shanghai and Hong Kong to help India pharmaceutical companies import personal protective equipment and frontline health worker. And next is Maldives and diplomacy. Let's continue India's and Maldives diplomacy. So Maldives had been one of the foremost countries which have received India's assistance during COVID-19 crisis. And next is India. It is a growing example of India neighborhood first policy. Reciprocation of Maldives, India's first policy. And New Delhi gifted 5.5 tons of essential medicines of the Maldives on March 14, 2020, and also sent a 14-member COVID-19 rapid response team of doctors. And next is India has evacuated 9 Maldives nationals from Wuhan, which was the once epicenter of the crisis. And next is previous humanitarian help. So let's discuss. India has also had previous times Maldives. The Indian Armed Forces have helped the government of Maldives in the neutralization of the 1980 coup attempt, also called Operation Cactus. And next is India has also helped the country after the 2004 tsunami and also supplied drinking water when Operation Neer was launched in 2014. And next is the two advanced light helicopter given by India to the armed force of Maldives and have been using in saving Maldives lives. And next is India's and Maldives relation. So let's discuss in India's Maldives relation. So India was among the first to recognize Maldives and after independence in 1965 and to establish diplomatic relation with the country. And next is India helped Maldives in meeting its 70% of defense training needs. And next is India Maldives joint military exercise named as Aquamarine. And next is India is the fourth largest trade partner of Maldives. And next is India and Maldives share cultural, religious and ethnic, linguistic and socialic traditions. So and next thanks.